High quality, home strain relief is 4x tougher than market standard cables. They are made with high-quality components resulting in a product that will operate as intended and last a long time. Function: this Apple MFi certified cable charges and syncs any iPhone, iPad, or iPod requiring a lightning cable. Braided nylon covering protects the inner cable and prevents wires from splitting. Compatible: Apple MFi Certified. Works with any iPhone, iPad, or iPod requiring a lightning cable. iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 6, iPhone 5S, iPhone 5C, iPhone 5, all iPad Air. Sleek design: metallic-colored braided cables are sleek and have a contemporary look. The brushed aluminum connectors match nicely with the cable and pair perfectly with the look of Apple products. 6 feet long. Whether you just need a little extra flexibility to charge while you play, or just want to use that hard-to-reach outlet, with a 5-foot cable length we've got you covered. Top reviews from the United States. No rips and sturdy. I only buy my charger from this brand because so far I still have the same first 3 I originally bought still working in excellent condition. No bending, no rips, no holes. The Apple chargers tend to break apart very fast and every other charger with the weave-type texture stops working because of bends in the wires, but not this one.